Using the art of origami, we present the fully flapping bird.
Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to make a bird using origami made out of paper. Should look something like this. You're going to impress all your friends. If you have a girlfriend, you're going to impress her. Should look something like this. It's only going to take 15 easy steps. I know you can do it. Stay with us. All you'll need is a piece of paper like this here. Nothing fancy. Just a white sheet of paper. Right, Matthew? Yep. All right. Let's get started. Step number one. We're going to take this piece of paper here and we're going to fold it into a, what they call a hot dog. Fold it like this here. Should look something like this. Very good. That's step number one. Step number two, you're going to open it up like here. You're going to put it back on the table. All right, guys, once you get your paper, it's going to look something like this. You're going to take this, you're going to fold it into the crease. You're going to take your right hand, you're going to fold the other one down, just like that. Then you're going to turn it around. You're going to do the same steps. Fold it into the crease. Fold the other side into the crease. So it kind of looks like this. Are you with me, Mateo?
Yep.
Then you're going to fold it up. Just like that. You're going to fold the flaps down. Just like that. Then you're going to flip it over. You're going to fold the other flap down. Like that, so. Take a few moments to follow with us. Stay with us. Should look something like this. You're going to take this. You're going to fold it in half. Till it looks something like this. You're going to open it up. Then you're going to put your hand right here at the crease. Then you're going to fold it down. Then you're going to take the other side and you're going to fold it down. So it kind of looks like a little diamond with little wings. Should look something like this. Matthew said it looks like Gallagher. Okay? You're going to flip it over. As you can see, there is no crease here. So you're going to take that and this is the hardest part. You're going to cut it till it's almost to the tip. You're going to leave about a quarter, half an inch at the bottom. Do that right now. So it looks something like this. Then you're going to take these little flaps and you're going to fold them down. On the left, you're going to take the other little flaps and you can fold them down. Just like that. Are you with me, Mateo?
Wait.
All right. Then you're going to fold it so it looks something like this. Kind of looks like a little tip, little flaps down here, little wings. So it looks something like this. Now the key here is to hold the flaps together at the bottom. Then you're going to open the wings up. Open the wings up. Crease it a little bit. Continue to hold the flaps at the bottom. Then hold the tip and then it should slowly start to take flight. And there we go. Alright guys, that's our video on how to make a bird using origami. It's a special bird. I've never seen a bird quite like this. So, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.